Hello friends, welcome to our channel Silk Zone. Today I'm going to show you linen sarees with digital print. Before showing the linen sarees, I want to show you the few views of how this digital print are done over the linen sarees. Just have a look to this machine, how this machine are doing the digital print over the saree. You can see the beautiful designs which is done by this machine, how this machine are doing this digital print over the sarees, how these prints are looking. You can see how beautiful this is, like looking like a very original pictures. The machine is very high quality, and the machine is the prints are very high quality and the best quality which is done by the digital printing machines. And friends, after washing also, the color of these printings will never go. So let's have a look to our collections. Just have a look to this sarees. These are the pure 100% pure linen sarees which are having a silver zari border in both sides and having a floral designs all over the saree, which is in digital prints. These digital prints are very awesome, very beautiful, and very like prettiest collections. You can see how beautiful, how prettiest the sarees are. Friends, I want to request all you that if you purchase any linen kinds of sarees from any other place or any other website, then I request you to purchase one single piece from us, and I request you to compare this quality from the other, because once you compare, then you are going to love our quality, because we never do any mixture in our quality, because our the main thing which thing is to satisfy our customers, because the customer satisfaction is very important for us. As you can see, this sarees collection, how beautiful and how pretty these are. The collections which I'm showing you are available in our website. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in, or you can click on the link which is given in the description, which will take you to our entire collection page, and you can have a look to our entire collection there. And if you want to book the sarees there also, you can book there only. And look at the sarees, look at the prettiest collection, and look at the colors. The sarees are having silver zari border in both side of the saree. The best thing about the linen is that this is comfortable for the all kinds of season, as well as for the summer and as well as for the winters also. And the thing is, friends, if you're wearing this linen fabric in the summers, and if you're sweating, and then also this fabric will never stick in your body, and it will be as same as it looks in the dry, because this is the main things we found in the linens. You can see the digital printings over the saree, how pretty and how beautiful these sarees are. And friends, as you can see, the price is mentioned here in the picture itself. Just in the COD, means cash on delivery, you are going to purchase these sarees in 2,900, and if you are going to do the prepaid for the sarees, then you are going to get it at only 2,700. You are going to get 200 discounts in each and every sarees. These sarees are pure linen digital printed saree with a premium quality. If you want to order for this sarees, the number is also given in the screen. You can see the below 9916448165. You can take a screenshot and send in this WhatsApp number, and you can place the order there also, and you can also place order in our website. As I said, the sarees are very beautiful and very awesome collection. And friends, the sarees, if you are liking and loving our designs and printings, then I request you to comment in our comment box and describe which one collection you are liking. And friend, one more thing, as I have made so many videos in Tassar sarees, as we are the manufacturer of Tassar silk sarees also, and you are loving the print, and you are looking for the same print and Tassar silk sarees, then friends, definitely you can place order for the same design over the Tassar silk sarees, and you can also customize the colors as of you wish. And friends, if you are looking for the same saree in our website, and you are having some trouble to find these kinds of sarees, then no need to worry, friends. You can go in our website and you can look for the same saree. For the design numbers are given in the pictures. You can see 2020 for this saree. You can see you can type the same SS -2020, and you are going to get same sarees in our website. You no need to worry and no need to struggle for searching for the same similar sarees, same design saree. You can get their same design, same collection there in our website. You don't need to struggle for this. And these are the 100% pure linen digital print sarees with a premium quality. You can see the print of this saree, how beautiful and how pretty this is, and the colors are very sober and very light and very awesome. And the sarees, the persons who wear the sarees, they know about the quality, because after wearing these sarees, you are going to look very awesome and very pretty. And the thing is that the sarees are referred by all kinds of people. They once they wear the sarees, they always prefer to wear this kinds of sarees only. And linen sarees are famous all over the world, and this digital linen sarees are very famous nowadays, because these people are loving this digital print. The digital prints, I showed you in the machine how these digital prints are done, and this prints are permanent. After washing also it will not bleed, the color will not go, and it will be same as after purchase, and after after so many days, after so many months also it is going to be same as you are seeing here. You can see the color combination. And friends, you are going to get blouse, contrast matching blouse, same matching blouse with each and every sarees. All the products which I am showing here, all the sarees are available with the blouse pieces. You will get definitely blouse pieces with that. And the thing is that friend, after purchasing saree, if you find that the print is not good and the quality you find any defect, then I definitely bet you that you can return us, and we are not going to charge any from you for the returning, for the courier charges you are not going to pay. And definitely after in the exchange also, if you are we are not going to take any charges from you. You are definitely going to get it in the exchanging of free shipping, and you are not going to charge we are not going to get any charges from you people, because the sarees which I'm showing here, we bet that we are very 100% we give the 100% quality, and we only want to satisfy our customers as much as possible. The main thing is that we satisfy our customers with the printings, with the design, with the quality, with the fabric. And as I told you, you can compare our quality. And the thing is that friend, we are using the best and the best thread count in our linens, which is very high and very liked by most of the people in the world. And we are we are dealing in all over the world. The shipping is available in entire country, friends. You can place order from any part of the country of the India, or from entire world also you can place. And we are shipping all over the world in very less shipping charges, and in India also we are giving in very less shipping charges. You can see how beautiful and how pretty these collections are. You can see the color combination of the sarees, these multiple colors, these multiple designs of the sarees. They're very pretty and very awesome. You can see the pallu and the saree, the color combination. This you can see how this beautiful color combination is there in the saree. Multiple colors are used. Very prettiest collection and very awesome collections are the sarees. You can go to our website, you can log on to www.silkzone.in, and you can look for the entire collection there, and or else you can directly make for any queries, any kinds of queries and any question, you can directly call us, you can directly WhatsApp us. We feel very happy to help you, friends. We are really very happy once you ask any question or queries. Thank you so much, friends, for watching my video so long. And if you're looking for the bulk purchase of this kinds of sarees, you can directly contact us, and definitely you are going to get some discounts. Please share our videos who are looking for these kinds of sarees, and please like and subscribe our channel. And I request all of you to press on the bell icon, so as soon as I post the video, you can get an immediate notification, and you can come to the YouTube channel and you can have a look to our entire collection, new collection. And you can go to our website and you can search for the same sarees which I'm showing in the videos. All these are available in our website as well as in our stock. Thank you so much, friends, once again, and please take care. Have a nice day, good day, and thank you so much for watching my video so long. Bye.